Hi there, this is Piyush here. Today we are going to talk about row level security in Tableau. It's a part of Tableau server administrator process. A very important topic to discuss. It's very imperative to have a governance in place to restrict, to maintain the confidentiality of the information that you share with your stakeholder when you let's see with an example. I've created a very small example using the sample data, the super store data. Okay. Let's say this is the sample dashboard. It has region and subcategory wise sales. Okay. Now it has multiple regions, and let's say it has a central, east, south, and west region. Now what do you need to do, what do you want to do, you want to set up some governance around it. You want to maintain some confidentiality that in a user of central should only see the information pertaining to central region. Okay. Similarly for east, south, and west, south user from south should not see the information for other regions. Okay. A simple use case we are going to take, and I'm going to use my personal Tableau setup. So we may not have many we may not have many users to, for an example, but what I'm going to show will definitely give you an understanding and of what row level security is, and how to use that to set up a, confidentiality, to set up a governance in place in your organization. Okay. So let's start. So very first thing you need to do is you need to set up uh, a group in your Tableau server. Okay. To do that, I'll visit my Tableau server. So I have just installed this Tableau online. So it is available for it when you install a trial. It is available for 14 days. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So very first thing you need to do is you need to create a group. Now I have regions. My use case is I want to restrict users based on the specific regions. Central users in central region should only see the information pertaining to central. Okay, so we'll see how to do this, how to set up this in Tableau server first, and then what changes we need to do in Tableau I visualization to enable what we want to achieve. Okay, once you log into your Tableau server, this is how it looks. So it will have all the information that it will have all the dashboard that you published on your Tableau server. Okay, you can basically share this with the other users. Okay. So I'll first go to groups. Okay. That's currently I do not have any group. I want to create one group. Okay, I'm going to create one group that is a local group. I'll name it as East region. Okay. Now I see currently it doesn't have. I just created this group, and currently there are no users. Now we need to map a user into it. And currently the only user that we have is myself. Okay, because since I'm using the personal Tableau server setup, but in your organization, you will definitely have see more users already mapped in your Tableau setup. It's not a big challenge. We'll definitely figure that out. Now let's understand how to add a member. Okay, I'll click on this. I'll let's say let's click on. Okay, once you click on group, there's an option called add user. I'll click on user. Okay, here you see there is one user available. I'm also an site administrator. Okay, I'll click on this. I will say add user. Okay, now when you check your group, it says there is one user, that is myself. Okay. Now the next step is to visit your Tableau dashboard, and you need to link your group with your visualization. What you need to do is go to server. Okay, here I'm going to do one thing. I already have it. I'll put a filter here. So currently I'm able to see all the. Okay. Okay, all the regions. Once I go to server, there is an option called create user filter. Okay, I'm going to do this based on region. Okay, now, you know, because I'm already signed in, let me just cancel this. Because I'm already signed in to my, Tableau online, that is a Tableau server, it will directly take me. Let me just sign out this and then sign in again. Okay, let's go to server, create user, region. Now, very first thing, it will ask to connect with your Tableau server. When I click connect, it may ask you for an credentials. I'll quickly enter my. Okay, now I have logged into my Tableau server. Now the next step is to basically link. Here is the member we have available in our regions, and this is what I need to do. Basically, I need to map this east user group that we just created in our Tableau server. Will appear here. Let's say you have more user group, like for east, west, central, you have all will appear here. All you need to do is basically map east with east. Okay. Now currently, this is not a very good example because I'm using my personal setup, but in your organization world, you will see, of course, definitely based on how your Tableau administrator is setting up a user group and adding the members, you should see all the information here, and then you can map it accordingly. Okay. The name I have kept it similar so that it is easy to interpret. I will click on OK. Okay. Now, as soon as you do that, you will notice there is a set created, okay, in your data. This is all you need to do is drag it in your. Okay, we are done. Okay, now when you see the visualization, you are able to see only east because I am member of only east region. Okay. Now let's do the last thing here. Just publish this workbook on your table. A very important thing here is, I'll name this as filter example. Okay, you need to provide a thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail is, I'll say east. I'll I will publish only dashboard. Okay, now let's yeah, here we go. So our dashboard is now published. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so you can see, there is only one option available. I cannot even see other region. It's because we have developed we have set up some governance around it. We are restricting users to see the information only pertaining to their region. A very important feature, very important, uh, what's option available to set up a governance around your the information that you want to share among your users. Thank you very much for your time.